Welcome to this quick SEOLab tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your product pages using the page optimization feature inside SEOLab. By the end, you'll know how to scan products, improve SEO scores, and use both manual and AI optimization. Let's get started. Once you open SEOLab, go to the left side menu and click on Page Optimization. Here, SEOLab analyzes important on-page SEO elements like titles, descriptions, keywords, alt text, and URL structure. All of these are extremely important for ranking on Google. At the top, you'll see a summary. Important issues need to improve optimized. This tells you how healthy your store is from an SEO perspective. You'll also see how many products have been scanned and how many you can optimize in your quota. To start, click the Scan Now button. SEOLab will scan all your products. After the scan, each product gets an SEO score. This score helps you understand how well your page is optimized, what needs fixing, and where improvements are required. Scores closer to 100 are better. But the goal is gradual improvement, not perfection overnight. Below, you'll see your full product list. For each product, SEOLab displays product image, product title, focus keyword, SEO score, action buttons. These action buttons are the real power of SEOLab. Optimize Content AI Optimizer, and we'll walk through both. Let's start with Optimize Content. Click the button, and SEOLab will open an editor where you can manually change. Keyword title, description meta title, meta description URL and handle product. SEOLab also shows red bullet suggestions, which means these are the issues hurting your SEO. For example, title, focus keyword should be included. Description, your keyword needs to appear in the first paragraph. Description, your keyword needs to appear in H2. Follow those suggestions one by one, and your SEO score increases immediately. Manual optimization is great if you want full control, you already know SEO basics, or you want very specific wording for branding. Now let's look at the AI Optimizer. Click AI Optimizer, and SEOLab will ask for one simple thing: your focus keyword. This can be your product name or the main keyword customers search for. Once you enter it, click Get AI Data. SEOLab automatically generates description H2, description meta title, meta description product tag. Everything is created following SEO best practices. If you like the content, simply click Set Data, and it updates directly in your store. This saves a lot of time, especially for stores with many products. After optimization, look again at your SEO score. You'll notice it increases. Higher score means better chances to rank more organic traffic, improved visibility on Google. And remember, SEO is gradual. Every improvement helps. If you ever feel the new content is not right for you, simply use Restore Data. SEOLab will bring your old content back, instantly. No risk. No worry. You can easily see which products have issues, need improvements, or are already optimized by switching between the tabs. This helps you keep track of your progress across the store. The best part? The exact same process works for collection pages, blog articles, and other pages. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more SEOLab guides. And remember, if you ever need help, our support team is always available. Thanks for watching.